guys, so we are here at Harvey's Hotel in Lake Tahoe, and we have the lake view room, which is gorgeous. We do have a view of the lake, so I'll let you see that in a minute. All right, this area is just for luggage, nothing crazy. We do have extra pillows and blankets. You can go this way to the hallway, and you already know it's the famous hotel mirror. Y'all already know. Every hotel gotta have that. You gotta make sure it's on point. So here is the bathroom. Y'all look at this. Vanity area. Has the own toilet area. We walk back here. It's the coffee area. A little wet bar situation in this. Y'all, let me back out so y'all can see it. The shower area is freaking huge. Oh my gosh, this bathroom alone is huge. It's freaking gorgeous. I was really excited about that. We did get the king size bed. Got the lights on the sides, beautiful. We do have the desk and TV area. And then now to the views. Like, come on in there. Oh my freaking gosh, it's gorgeous. And like I said earlier, we pay for lake view. This is lake view, and we're pretty close, but the views are just gorgeous. Well, that's the end of the room tour. We're getting ready to definitely clean that bathroom, definitely take a shower, and we're taking a nap. Because like I said earlier, we're moving into the adult phase, and adults need naps. So stay tuned for the rest of our videos. We got several more things coming up. Definitely go back, like I said, and watch that Las Vegas video so you can see that bathroom. And let me know which bathroom you think is the biggest. And let me know which hotel you all have been in that you feel has the biggest and best bathroom. Because we might have to make a trip out of it. I don't play about bathrooms, so stay tuned. Thank you all for sharing this occasion with us, and we can't wait to share more of our vacation with you. Bye.